Hey guys, so today we're just hanging this little sign here for the kids' room, the bathroom, and I want it kind of level. I don't like just throwing stuff out there, so I want it not just kind of level, I want it level. So what I'm doing is just make sure this is my level is magnetized, it just kind of stays on there. So get this perfectly level where you want it. And I'm just going to mark a little dot here in the corner. Okay, and the same thing over here. Okay, that's going to be where I'm just going to put some tacks in the wall there. Alright, and that should just go right in the center there. Just going to push it in. And same thing for this. Now we can take our tack actually and see if that's going to be level. It's perfectly level right there, so put that in there. Let's see how that's going to go. So it's off a little bit because I forgot to factor in how thick the tacks are there. So put that on there, bring it in a little bit. Let's go up right about there. Okay, push that one in, and there we go. Okay, so that's pretty level. Maybe we can put some other tacks here in the bottom to hold it in place. But we're a little bit of tape there anyways. Looks pretty good. So thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you next time.